my Python 2 final project. My project was inspired by the game Hangman, like this. During class, I learned about the kinter and text files, also strings, and I use all those in my project. Examples over here. Oh yeah, here's the example, the kinter button. I made like 26 buttons for each of the letters, and here's the text file. It's just a whole list of words. Here's the demo. Go. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, and here's the game, the actual game. So you have 6 lives, like yes, the letters. Oh, um, I have no idea what the word is. Oh, R? Where's R? Oh, oh wait, no, it's not R. Early? Yay, I won. And then if you want to redo it, you can just like reset and then you can just like keep guessing the word. When you feel like whenever you feel like it, you can just reset. It's really cool. Yeah, and um yeah, my favorite part of this, my favorite part is actually like playing the game because it's fun. And here's some ways that I can improve my project. I can add colors, which I already did. Um, I can add a feature for them to add words and add more words to your list. Okay, thank you. That's it.